If I take that off, I can't see the camera.
Oh, you're handsome, fella.
It's big night tonight, Phil.
We're brewing beer.
No, no.
No?
It's a football night tonight, Phil.
Dan is a massive Swansea fan. Huge Swansea fan from a long time. Used to go as a kid.
I was smaller than the Kettle when I was going there.
You'll get down often.
Still a season ticket holder, yep.
And tonight is 17th of May.
A big game, it's the first game in the playoff finals. I always can get confused who we play against in these ones. The games would be Bradford, Brentford, Burnsley, Barnsley.
Swansea fan, not football fan.
Yeah.
So, what are we brewing tonight?
What are we brewing tonight?
Yeah.
We're going to do a bit of magic from London tonight. We're going to try...
Smack packs. So you got to whack it and then leave it alone for 3 hours in about 20 degrees. And then this is what you get out of it. Kind of bloated bag of magic.
How much does it cost, Phil? Is it more expensive than the...
But it's like 3 or 4 times the price of a normal yeast. We mash in?
We mash in. 65 degrees C.
This time I'm going for a different malt. This is called Best Ale Malt. Are you stirring or...?
I'll pour. This is a pale malt, is it?
Just a pale malt, yeah, but thought since we were doing a London ale...
It's full. Phil's poor dog is without his food tonight.
He thinks you've got a dog. So we're going in, so that is bang on 4 kilos of Best Ale Malt.
And what's the difference between Best Ale and Marisot?
If anybody knows the answer to that,
it looks very similar. I was asked by my father-in-law, they got their anniversary coming up to make some beer for him and a few of his relatives and things like that.
Well, this is the problem. When you brew nice beer, people keep asking you for it.
Yeah.
Oh, that smells amazing, mate.
It's this crystal, isn't it?
That crystal does smell really, really good.
I can taste that in the back of my mouth from that smell. Can you taste it?
No, I can smell it.
Yeah.
So it's just a 2-grain bill today, Crystal and Best Ale Malt. We're going to mash in now for 1 hour. Hops we're going to have is 25 grams of Challenger at the start of the boil.
So that's the bitter and hop.
10 grams of Fuggle, last 10 minutes of the boil.
Yeah.
And then a flame out. We're going to have a little bit of Goulding. 6 grams of Styrian. Football starts in 40 minutes. So when you next see Dan, are you coming back at half time?
I'll try to, if I'm not crying.
So we might see sad Dan or happy Dan.
Yeah.
Okay, cheers Dan, you gotta go.
See you guys.
Oh, that smells good. All right, so Dan has left me for the next important bit, the raising of the grain. Where's me ring? Dan said, it's all right, you can do it by yourself. Gotta watch the swans, he said. Blimey. Fucking little chair. Okay, back in a sec. Oh, go blimey. Dodgy shit. I will magically insert the ring. Done. We're now the swans are getting on. Okay, now, so we are going to Sparge. Recipe calls for 23 litres of water. We've started with 17, so I need to put another 10 in there. So I am going to use a colander to set that grain bed. Oh, so this is 8. We got 7. 6. Why do I keep doing that? Where's Dan? Okay, I'm going to leave that now. I'm going to keep this for the second runnings and I need another couple of litres. So let's check the temperature. White up to 100 and we're going to go for turbo. It's going to take a minute to drain through. I've got to keep this grain now. Dan wants to do second runnings on it. I'm going to add a little bit more water. So the max is 25 litres, so when we boil down for an hour, we'll probably boil off 2 litres worth. Get us down to that magic 23. Oh, the smells lovely. All you ginger brewer followers out there knows that our first top edition goes in the sack. Don't forget the sack. I think it's half time. I've poured down a beer, take a quick peek. Oh, we're just about at the bubble boil. 25 grams of Challenger to go in. And they go, hey, look at that, we're boiling now. Does anybody know what this stuff is on top? Or comment down below for me. Is that the boil break thing? Do we need to scrape that off normally? Oh, look how it swelled. The big man's in himself, the captain of the ship. We'll be right on course now. All right, whoa, we've just hit boil. You can't sit down, yeah. What's the score? What's the score, mate? I'm at it on.
The score is?
1-0 to Swans.
1-0 to the Swans,
yes. Is it really?
It is,
I haven't had it on the video either.
Yeah, and they actually recorded the goal so you can see it.
Oh, that's a cracker.
Yeah, it's a good goal.
What a good goal that was.
Good quality.
Had a problem with the grain basket out.
It's like being in a proper game, because you know at half-time when you get the half-time pint, you have to rush off downstairs, queue up for 5 minutes, neck your pint, have to have a pee as well, run back up, all within 5 minutes. But I must say the beer is better.
Liberty.
Do you know why that's appropriate?
Because it's the Liberty Stadium in
It's the
Swans.
Liberty Stadium, yes.
Hang on. Is this a beer channel or a football channel? What's going on? Should we do a refractometer? A Tommy on.
We can do. We'll leave it cool down a bit. I'm sure the direction of that's caused by heat.
So you're going to get back.
I got neck this one. I get back.
So, half an hour into the boil, I have just done a refractometer reading. We're on about 1.046. Alright, so we are 10 minutes to go. We need to do a couple of things. One is to add some Fuggles. So we've already weighed it out. It's 10 grams, but we had 11, so we're chucking 11 grams in there. I'm gonna stick it into the sack. I gotta put in the coil. Chuck it on there for a minute. There we go, 10 minutes left. Swans.
Swans,
win,
scrappy type
lose,
of game,
draw.
but yeah. We won.
What's good?
1-0.
Okay.
And how are things gone here, Phil? I can certainly smell lots of beer.
This one is ready to switch off. I've left the last hop edition for you. 6 grams of Golding.
Golding.
Here. So.
Okay, so we're knocking off. Yeah, we've had a question from one of our brewers.
Okay.
Can you over-sterilise?
Well, I'm sterilising now, and the bugs are dead.
And the bugs are dead, so
yeah.
Can you over-sterilise?
Let me do a bit more.
Can you over-shake it?
No, they're still dead.
Are they?
Yeah. Hang on.
They're
They're
dead?
still dead, yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, no. Get away. You can't over-sterilise it, mate. Ready for action?
Yeah.
All hands on deck. I've got a smack pack.
This is that crazy smack pack thing. Look at the state of it now.
It's like
It's gone
brilliant,
huge. So those nutrients have been released into the yeast, and yeah, we're going massive. Oh, I've got to sterilise the pack as well, so we'll leave that in there for a minute or so. There you go.
Yeah, does a smack pack go in as well, or does it stay out?
I'm going to say that's going to stay out, is it? Oxygen now.
Oxygenated.
Dan style. Rolling down the hill. Hey up. God blimey. Ah, there we go. Got it. Got the rhythm. So, it was a great brew day, even though a little bit lonely at times. Would Dan and I recommend a liquid yeast? Most definitely. The beer tasted great, it's all gone. Well, here's a little clip of what we thought.
The liquid yeast is when you get your supplies, put it straight in the fridge or freezer.
Yeah.
In the fridge, I think it needs to be done. And needs to be used quite quickly, doesn't it?
Yeah, I definitely recommend the liquid yeast. The flavour's good.
Yeah, and it's quite easy to do as well.
Disadvantage is all the things that Dan just said.
Plus the cost.
The fermentation was fast, it was out the blocks quicker than an Olympic sprinter. It started at about 1.047 and got down to 1.009, giving us about 5% beer. Fantastic yeast, worked really, really well. Wouldn't use it for every brew, but for a brew, a special brew that you're doing, you're making, you want to try something different, you want to try something a little bit easy with your yeast, it's pretty much a definite that it's going to work, then yeah, go for it. Try a liquid yeast. Thanks for making it this far. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one where me and Dan are going to be making a red brick rye.